Hello and welcome to this quick tip on chromatic planing. It's more of a modern way of scoring, but when I say modern I mean Debussy and Stravinsky used it. The theory is based around if it sounds good, it is good. And don't worry too much about tonic and dominant chords to lead the voicing. Diatonic planing is when you follow the notes of a scale, although the example I'm going to show you involves some chromatic planing, so you could call it mixed planing. If this is the sort of thing you find interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe and tell your friends, it is appreciated. Let's hear what we're going to create. So the first element is some legato celli, making chromatic movements starting on G and ending on an E. Let's double that in the basses, down one octave. Now we're going to add some minor triads in the trumpets, so I will need a longs patch and I'm going to use minor triads. This time all the movements are chromatic. I'm going to use forced legato to make sure I get that continuous sound. I'm going to layer this up an octave with the viola longs. And finally some tremolo violins in octaves. And that's it. An interesting sound palette for you to play with. Try using major triads too, and remember, if it sounds good, it is good. I'll play the track so you can hear it in full again. A like and subscribe is always appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.